Forgot to put my SD card in, so I was just taking this screen recording, just having a look at the state of this site. It's waterlogged to hell. It's so quiet though, nobody's disturbing. Yeah, I wanted to come and practice some of the quick shots it can do, but it's a pretty untidy site this. Look at the fucking state of it. Whoop. Avoid that tree. Bring it back towards me. I've got the compass there on the left, so you know whereabouts it is in front of you as a guide. And now it's dead in front of me, and I can just fly it back towards me. There it is. Let's see if I could just do what I did, take it back, back. See if I can do it to do that, just using the controllers. I think I did that. What did I do before? Turn it to the right. Oh, that's it. Big circle. That's just using the joypads. Try not to get any more elevation. It's quite high, but it's 35 meters. It's not so bad. $47 meters, so it's gradually getting higher and higher. And spin. Right, let's bring it down. Don't need to do return to home, I can see it. Bring it towards me. Quite windy today, but look at the camera, it's stable as anything. Come on, back over here. See how the gimbal's balancing against the wind. It's blowing like mad. But that image is stable as a stable thing. Take a look at the see if we can see the wrong way. Nearly dropped a Google then. See the shrubs blowing over there. And down to land. Brilliant. Right, let's disconnect.